When it comes to upgrading your home, window replacement is one of the smartest investments St. James homeowners can make. Not only do new windows improve curb appeal, but they also boost energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term property value. One of the most important decisions you'll face during this process is choosing the right window material. Each option comes with unique benefits, costs, and maintenance requirements, so understanding your choices will help you select the best fit for your home and lifestyle. Vinyl windows. Affordable and low-maintenance vinyl has become one of the most popular materials for window replacement in St. James. Known for its affordability and durability, vinyl resists moisture, warping, and fading, making it ideal for the local climate. Pros: cost-effective, energy-efficient, available in a wide range of colors and styles. Cons: limited color customization compared to wood or fiberglass. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers great insulation and longevity, vinyl is an excellent choice. Wood windows. Timeless beauty and charm for homeowners who value traditional aesthetics, wood windows remain a top choice. They provide a warm, natural look that enhances the character of both historic and modern homes in St. James. Pros: classic appeal, can be painted or stained to match any decor, excellent insulator. Cons: requires regular maintenance like painting or sealing to protect against moisture and rot. While wood windows may demand more upkeep, they offer unmatched charm and customization that many homeowners feel is worth the effort. Fiberglass windows. Strong and energy-efficient fiberglass is a newer option that's quickly gaining popularity for window replacement in St. James. It's built to withstand extreme weather while maintaining excellent insulation properties. Pros: extremely durable, resistant to warping and swelling, mimics the look of natural wood without the upkeep. Cons: higher upfront cost than vinyl or aluminum. If you're looking for a long-lasting, energy-saving solution, fiberglass windows are a smart investment that pays off in reduced energy bills and fewer replacements over time. Aluminum windows. Sleek and modern aluminum windows are perfect for homeowners who prefer a contemporary design with slim frames and large glass areas. These windows are lightweight yet strong, making them a popular option in modern architecture. Pros: durable, slim profile allows more natural light, low maintenance. Cons: less energy efficient compared to vinyl or fiberglass and less thermal breaks are included. For homes where design and natural light are top priorities, aluminum windows provide both strength and a modern aesthetic. Composite windows. The best of both worlds. Composite windows combine the advantages of several materials, often blending wood fibers with thermoplastics. This hybrid design creates a product that's durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Pros: strong, versatile, resistant to rot and moisture, customizable finishes. Cons: more expensive than vinyl and some wood options. Homeowners in St. James who want durability without sacrificing appearance often find composite windows to be the perfect compromise. Choosing the right material for your home. When deciding on the best material for your window replacement project, consider factors such as budget. Vinyl offers affordability, while fiberglass and composite provide long-term savings through efficiency. Maintenance. Wood requires regular care, whereas vinyl and fiberglass are nearly maintenance-free. Aesthetic preferences. Wood and composite allow the most design flexibility, while aluminum suits modern tastes. Climate. St. James homeowners benefit from energy-efficient materials like fiberglass and vinyl that hold up against seasonal changes. Final thoughts: window replacement is an investment that can transform the look, feel, and efficiency of your St. James home. Whether you choose the affordability of vinyl, the elegance of wood, or the durability of fiberglass, the right material ensures your windows will serve your family well for decades. By weighing cost, maintenance, style, and performance, you'll be able to select the best windows to complement your home and lifestyle.